Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about what is WordPress website development. Basically, the entire essence of this short course is how you can become a professional WordPress website developer. Okay, so most people go ahead and ask a question like, what is WordPress? What is WordPress website development? Okay, so WordPress development is the building and maintenance of WordPress site. As of 2022, there are around 1.3 billion websites on the internet. Out of this, there are currently 708 million sites that uses WordPress. WordPress powers about one third of website on the internet. So, with that being said, you see the huge demand for this particular skill. Okay, it's a very good area skill for you to acquire. Being a WordPress developer can give you a lot of opportunities and a lot of earnings and revenue at the end of the year if you are this person and you get a lot of jobs. So basically, being a WordPress developer or being able to develop website with WordPress means having the full knowledge of the WordPress content management system, from installing WordPress, setting up WordPress, understanding the structure of the WordPress root directory, plugins, installing themes, adding pages, posts, and every other thing that revolves around WordPress. So that's basically what a WordPress website development means. And as we proceed on the video, you're going to be exposed to all these subjects and topics. And at the end of the short crash course on WordPress, you are going to be a professional WordPress developer. So that'll be all for now in this video, and I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.